Hey friends, so I stopped by Tuesday morning because I heard they had tons of paper in, and they do. So they had this play collection, the boy and girl version, and they are adorable. And look at the papers, they're not all birthday. So you can definitely use them for other things. Same for that Panda Party one. This Ahoy There kit's been there. Fishtails is new for ours. So it looks like they did get a lot of photo play in, and that is really, really fun. Of course, Echo Park, that Cowboy Country's been there. Bella Boulevard's been there. That Freebird is back. I had picked that up once upon a time there, and it is gorgeous. No pun intended. Is new at my store, and it's cute and whimsical. Belle Fleur, I hadn't seen that collection at my store yet either. So, if you are needing to build out some of your collections, you will score so well. They had lots and lots of these 25 sheet ones. Those Boulevard collection packs were there, so none of that was new. Then I thought I'd look, yep, that was there last week too, nothing exciting. And the Sun Chaser paper pad looks like it's new to our store. Now, I am doing my very best not to pick up any paper pads right now, so I was able to resist this time, although, I mean, there's cool ones. And then all kinds of 6x6 paper pads, but I have those coming out of my ears, so I do not let myself even really enjoy flipping through them. I just can't. So over here is the next section where the paper is, and once again, here's more of those 25 sheet packs. That Freestyle was brand new, and I thought it was really, really cool. I like the colors in it. So, oh, and it also came with die cuts, so that's pretty awesome. So, I mean, that's what I had seen from other people, that they got tons of paper in. They got like bupkis for embellishments, like for real, like very little, but for the most part, all these paper collections, you can just pop a few things up on foam tape and be able to fussy cut out some goodies and have die cuts. You can get through just fine without them if you need to. So, oh, and we also haven't gotten much for any kind of thickers or any of that kind of stuff lately. There's more of that Freebird collection that is so cool. I had a few pieces of it once upon a time from a scrap room club kit. So very cool to work with. That Flawless by Authentique was new, I believe. And they do have quite a few things that they have put on clearance lately, and my store has them kind of mixed in with the regular stock stuff. So, oh, this little Bella Boulevard album kit. It comes with chipboard, it comes with washi, little cards, die cuts, the whole thing. So, kind of a cute way to do Project Life, I was thinking. So I thought I would do a little bit better of a shot for you there. But yeah, we only had one. And then there was also this Carpe Diem 12-month planner insert set that looked really cute, and it looked like Disney related cuteness. I know a lot of people are really into Disney. Now these pieces right here, they're actually over in our journaling section for some reason, or like office supplies, but they're definitely like really nice higher end traveler's notebook looking kinds of things. Look at the memory planner sets. I mean, really great deal on them. Oh, I also thought I'd show that we did have some new of these really great like adult coloring books, and they're ever so relaxing. We had one creative diary, and I almost got it, and not to use as a planner, but I was actually looking at it because the paper is so good just for a mixed media album. And that is a fantastic price right there if you could get your hands on it. Now, we have been getting a lot of this King's Art brand mixed media products in. I mean, tempera paint sticks. I was like, I wonder if you could use those in regular art, like in a art journal or not. I wasn't sure. These gel sticks are awesome looking. There was also brush pens. Now, I don't know enough to know if that's like a high-end brand or not, but we sure have a lot. Oh, and we got tons of these Spectrum Noir Aqua tints, all kinds of different colors. Now, these definitely are not cheap. I think they're kind of like watercolor kind of markers. You might hear in the background that I have my husband's cat has decided he's an outdoor cat now, and he wants out. He is not pleased at all about being stuck inside, even though it's raining. So, anywho, back to this. So, thought I'd flip through and you could see all these different marker sets. Pretty impressive, quite frankly. I don't need any new ones. I need to get going on more of my mixed media fun stuff. They had some more of these pouring paint kits. And yeah, I don't know. I'm not going to get into that hobby. But that's it for today. I didn't pick anything up at all. So thanks for watching, and I'll be back soon with another video.